My name is Joseph de Oliveira. I am a computer science major. I have a love of learning and of building things. 3D printing is something I do. I'm fascinated by it, and I think one day it will change the world. My favorite animal is the pangolin. Most people have never seen one. It looks like a cross between an anteater and a pine cone. Their scaly armor is a sight to behold, and combined with their ability to roll up into a defensive ball, they are nearly invincible to predators. Believe it or not, pangolins are the most trafficked mammal in the world, and could one day go extinct, thanks to Earth's top predator, humans. I hope to one day 3D print sculptures of pangolins in order to raise more awareness about these animals. Thank you.